Hello, my dear children. Today I'm gonna teach you how to write the alphabets. In nursery class, you must have learned the alphabets A to Z. So today I will teach you how to make it. But before we start, I wanna show you some lines. I hope you have learned these lines and you know how to make it. This is a standing line. This one is slanting line. This is sleeping line. And this is curve lines. Okay? So, as you know, there are 26 letters in English. So let's start with our first letter A. A. Okay. So how to make it? C. See carefully, children. Okay. One slanting line, another slanting line, and a small sleeping line makes A. Okay. Let's try it again. One slanting line, another slanting line, and a small lines makes A. Okay. Then what comes after A? B. Okay. So one standing line, a curve, another curve makes B. Okay, let's try one more time. One standing line, a curve, another curve makes B. Okay, then C. How to make it? See carefully. A curve makes C. Let's make it one more time. A curve makes C. Okay. Then D. One standing line and a small curve makes D. Let's try it again. Standing line and a curve makes D. Okay. Then what comes after D, children? E. So draw a standing line, then sleeping line, another sleeping line, and between a small sleeping line makes E. Let's try it again. Standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line, between a small line makes E. Okay. Then F. Standing line, a small line, one more sleeping line makes F. Let's try it again. Standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping lines makes F. Okay. What comes after F? It's G. Okay. G. How to make it? So see carefully. Let's make a curve. Okay. And small sleeping line, then small standing line. It's very easy. Let's try it again. Okay, draw a curve and a small sleeping line and a small standing line. Okay, very easy. Then H. Let's make it one standing line, a small sleeping line, one more standing line makes H. Let's make it again, one standing line, then small sleeping line and one more standing lines make H. Okay, then what comes after H? Tell me, children, what comes after H? It's I. What? I. So let's make it one sleeping line, one more sleeping line and one standing line makes I. Okay, then let's make it again, one sleeping line, one more sleeping line and a standing line makes I. Okay, then J. So let's make it one sleeping line, then one standing line makes J. Okay, let's make it again, okay, then what comes after J? It's K. Okay, K. So we'll make a standing line, then we'll make a cross line, this line and this line. Let's make it again, standing line, make a cross line. Okay, then L. It's very easy. One standing line, then a small sleeping line. Let's try it again, one standing line and a small sleeping line makes L. Okay, then M. So we'll make standing line, make cross line, one more cross line and again we'll make standing line. Okay, let's try it again, standing line, cross line, one more cross line and a standing line makes M. Okay, then which letter is this, children? N. So let's make it one standing line, then a cross line, again one standing line makes N. Let's make it again, one standing line and which line is this? What I am drawing, this is a cross line and one more standing line makes N. Okay, then we'll make O. O. It's very easy to make. Round and round, round and round, it just like a ball. Let's make it again. Round and round, it's O. Okay, then P. Okay, so let's make it one standing line. Okay, and make a curve. Makes P. Okay, let's try it again. One standing line and a curve makes P. Then Q. Okay, again we'll make O with a small Q line, small cross line. Let's make it again. Make a O with a small cross line. It makes Q. Okay, then what comes after Q, children? Please tell me. It's R. What? R. So let's make it one standing line. Okay, one standing line and a curve and a cross line makes R. One standing line, a curve and a cross line makes R. Then S. Okay, so you know the curve. This is a curve and this is also a curve. Okay, so let's make it with curve. Okay, it's very easy. Let's make it again. One curve, one more curve. Okay, then we'll make T. Which letter is this? T. Let's make a sleeping line, then a standing line. Very easy. Sleeping line and standing line. Okay, then we'll make a U for umbrella. Let's make it one more time. Okay, then we'll make V. So one cross line, another cross line makes V. Okay, now it's time to learn how to make W. So this is V and this is V. Children, if we join two V together, it makes W. It's magic. See carefully. It's V, one more V makes W. Let's try it again. One V, one more V makes W. Okay. Then X. X. For making X, we'll have to draw two cross lines, which are very easy. One cross line, one more cross line. Let's make it again. One cross line, one more cross line. Okay. Then let's write Y. Y. It's also very easy. Make a V and make a standing line. You can make it in this way. And let's write again. Make a V and one standing line. Okay. Then we'll make Z. Okay. One sleeping line, one cross line, one more sleeping line makes Z. Okay. So these are 26 letters. Hopefully you will learn from it. Okay. Thank you, children.